Hi Swarit, how are you, Swarit?
I'm good, Auntie. How are you?
Good. How was your camp?
It was good.
Yes. Shall we wait another 2 minutes for somebody to log in?
Sure.
I don't know. They all said they'll come, right?
Yeah.
Okay, by the way, were you able to do the homework, Swarit?
Yeah, I did the conjectures. It's like sheet homework.
Okay. You understood?
Um, there's like four different types, right?
Uh-huh.
Inverse, converse, contrapositive, and the regular statement, and then biconditional.
Okay, so you understood that part?
Yeah. So for the biconditional statement, like, is it only like a specific part that makes it a biconditional statement?
Uh-huh.
Like, which part is it?
Which part is it in the book you're asking?
No, no, like, so what makes a statement biconditional? Like, is
If
it
if
just
if the state can if the statement can contain if and only if.
if and only if? Is that the
Yeah.
only part?
That's the main thing that brings it to a biconditional. What are you asking? Maybe I'm not answering what you're asking, I feel.
No, no, you answered it.
Yeah, I answer. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm trying to understand if others are going to come in. This is hard. Actually, I did not want to end up with one student like this on July 4th. That's why I asked in the group whether they are going to come. Let's see. I'm going to put it out to the group as well, but we will go ahead whatsoever because I said, let me see who all said I am available. Siddharth, Anish, Siddharth. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, Swarit, we'll go ahead, Swarit, because I don't feel we should cancel for the promptness you have shown. Let's go ahead.
Okay.
What questions did you have on the last week's homework?
Uh, Nothing really much. I understood most of it. Is it only part one or was it more like was it past part one?
We did 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. Did you see that?
Oh,
Oh, you didn't see that?
no.
Okay.
But yeah, I'll do it by the next class.
Yeah,
If that's
6.1
fine.
to 3 you do.
Okay.
Okay, those are all special right triangles and stuff like that.
Oh, okay.
Makes sense. So now isosceles equilateral triangles we were covering. Anish, did you have any questions on 6.123, ma?
No, I submitted the homework.
Yeah, I saw, ma. Usually I see. 6.3.3, Ritisha had questions on, looks like. You were able to go through fully, Anish?
Hmm?
Six-
Yeah, I was able to go through fully.
Fully. But are you checking your answers? I do see your work. That is excellent, is what I am thinking. Okay.
Thank you.
6.2 you have shown, but 6.3 you have not shown in your homework, right, Anish?
Wait, I think that it wasn't photographed correctly.
Ah, okay. 6.3 came before, huh?
I
What, Amma?
think so, wait.
Yeah, see
Six.
that. Uh-huh. See, I could not see. Some of the photos were not clear, but 6.1 and 2 I was able to decipher. Okay. 6.3 I could not see properly at all. Okay, that was the main thing about it. Okay. Now, yeah. So now let's get to 6 point. We did 6.3, right? 6.3.3, Ratisha had doubts on. What is that 6.3.3? Oh, okay. So maybe next week we can deal with it. Okay. So let's go back to where we left off. Um,
Uh-huh.
we had Aeop's algebra class, right? Remember? We were Aeop's algebra class last year, right?
Yes.
But did I not change it to Aeop's algebra
Oh,
geometry?
you did. You did. You changed the Google Classroom.
As Aeop's algebra and geometry, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I
Yeah.
thought.
I have two AFs geometry now.
You have two Aeop's geometry?
Yeah.
I am a little lost, guys. Hold on.
The new one and the old one. They're both named the same thing.
I just deleted the old one.
Oh, don't delete the old one, right? It is
Oh,
useful still.
okay.
No worries. Okay, hold on. Wait. Alchemist topic 1, part 1, part 2. Okay, extra book for geometry online free, part 4, 5 of the PDF. Alchemist, Pythagorean theorem, isosceles 3.12, 3.3. Okay, so we did till 3.3, right? I would really like to discuss about 3.4. Okay, let's see. See,
Mhm.
remember congruence, guys? Let me review that as well.
6.4.
Illemma 6.4. We don't need to go to 6.4. Let's go to 3.4, then come back because 6.4 needs 3.456 and stuff. You got it?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to discuss triangle congruence once more so that we review what we discussed in chapter 3 and then move on to 3.4. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay, how about this? Okay. Do you remember all of the congruences that we have discussed?
Um, ASA congruence, SA congruence, AAS congruence, SAS congruence.
But we have discussed only a few. SSS we have discussed, SAS we have discussed. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me go ahead and ask you a couple of questions. Okay. Let's see. Based on For this one, right, would you be able to classify what type of triangle is this? Classify what type of triangle is this? I'm going to share my screen. Based on your knowledge of geometry till you have done till date, right? Go ahead and classify what type of triangle is that. Are we able to do check and then I'll do. Let's also review another problem here. We will do one proof, one congruence problem, and then we'll move on. Okay.
Is it a isosceles triangle?
Why do you think it's an isosceles triangle?
Because the distance between y and z is 4, so then those two angles have to be matching, and then 9 minus like 9, like in the middle of 5 and 9 is 7. So then that would be 7, and then the height and then the y is irrelevant.
What was YZ? What was YZ?
Y and z. Y and z are on the same like y coordinate.
Tell me each of the side in units. What units did you get?
Mm-hmm.
What units did you get? What is
So YZ was 4.
uh-huh.
Okay.
Then
And I didn't get the other two.
then how can you categorize it as isosceles? That doesn't make sense to me.
Because if you add both of them and then divide it by 2, it'd be equal to 7. And then that would logically be speaking be in the middle of both of the triangles. And both in the middle of Y and Z.
Yeah, but the way you're proving doesn't tell me that it is isosceles at all. Given these coordinates, what makes you say it is isosceles? I want clear proofs. I want testimony. I want
Okay.
proof. Just like that, you can't say isosceles to me. I need to see your work. If you say scaling, show me your work. If you say equilateral, show me your work.
Hi, Priyanti.
Hi, how are you, Vidyut? We are doing the problem on the board. Classify the triangle. We are on
Okay.
3.4. We are going to discuss 3.4.
Okay. Sorry I was late. I came back from a party.
No problem. I'm glad you're back. First, I thought of I should I cancel. If only one kid was there, I thought I'll cancel. But since there were 3 or 4 of you, I said, okay, we'll go ahead as planned because there are people promptly present and you came in too, right? So it's okay to go ahead. So given this coordinates x, y, z, right? Can you find out what type of triangle is that? If you can do it quickly, then we'll go ahead and finish the congruences, please. I would love for us to finish 3.456 today.
Oh, I remember how to do it.
Remember how to do it?
Yeah, I remember how
How
to
will
do
you
it.
prove that, Vidyut?
I'm trying to use distance formula, like find the lengths.
So types of congruence, what have we discussed till date? We have discussed SSS, SAS only. Okay, what are the other type of congruences that we are going to discuss? ASA, AAS. What type of congruence is invalid? SSA is invalid. Make sense?
Mhm.
So let's go ahead and try what type of triangle is that. Swarit, where are we? What type of triangle is this, ma'am?
Like congruence or like just type?
I just want to know what is the type of the triangle.
Um,
How do you find it? You know all about acute, obtuse.
yeah.
You know about right triangles. You know about scalene. You know about isosceles. You know about equilateral. What type of triangle is that?
Uh,
How do you find the type of triangle? Vidyut, explain.
I'm using distance formula, like find the
That's
length.
nice. Go ahead. Find out and tell me. Good job.
Okay. And then from 1 and 6 to like Priyanti, is it isosceles?
How do you know?
Because the if we like draw a triangle with the coordinates.
I don't want you to guess like that. I want some
Mhm.
solid.
Okay. Wait, can I annotate on the board?
Yes, please. You can do
Okay.
whatever you want on the board or wherever you want. But
Oh, my bad. I was trying to
yeah,
say.
you go ahead. I will erase mine. No problem.
Okay. So first we have like 3 points.
I have the like answer.
So like we have 5, 1 here,
Mm-hmm.
and then we
Miss
have 9, 1 here, and
Mm-hmm.
then like 7, 6 here.
Miss
Mm-hmm.
Priya, I got the answer.
I think you have to wait. He's explaining.
I just
Okay.
Yeah, it's nice to wait. Go
Okay.
ahead. Mm.
So the distance from here to here is going to be 4 because the x coordinates are 4 away and the y coordinates are the same.
Mm-hmm.
And then from the distance from here to here, like we can just imagine like this is up 2, and then it's going to be right 5. So then this length is going to be 2 squared plus 5, 29.
That's better.
And then doing the same for here.
Uh-huh.
This is going to be up 2, and then -5. We
Yeah,
actual value this,
good.
and then this is also going to be root 29.
That's nice. So with you,
Mhm.
so this explains that it is isosceles. These two equal the two sides, right? So basically what you have done, let me write it down. 7 comma 6 is x, 5 comma 1 is y, z. You have proven that xy line segment is congruent to xz line segment. That tells you that this triangle is isosceles. Good job.
Mhm.
Swarit, did you get it? Anish, what was your answer, ma?
I got 4 and square root 29 for
Correct.
the
So
two.
square
Gosh,
root of 29 is common to both. Did you get the same thing, Swarit?
yeah, but I don't know if it was correct.
Yeah, it is correct. So if you got that, that's great. So now I'm going to draw something on the board and ask you to prove something, okay? After we review this, I'll go to the other congruent types. Okay. This is X, this is Y. I'll just draw whatever I want to on the board, you're going to prove. So here, find VZ in the diagram. I want to know what is VC. Try guys.
No.
Go ahead and tell me. This is number 2. We are reviewing what are the congruences we have studied SSS, SAS. Sorry, Vidyut. Looks like you just now written and you're doing a lot of stuff there. It's okay. Take your time. So, other congruences that we are going to study is AAS, ASA. What congruence doesn't work? SSA does not work. Here, A is the included angle between the two sides. Here, S is the included side between the two angles. Make sense? So for the diagram on the board, I want you to find VZ. I would like one of you to explain why VZ is what you think you got. It's all based out of congruences. And the congruences that we have already studied, nothing big, nothing new.
Auntie, I sent my answer. Mhm. Mm.
Vidyut, good job. Can you tell me what type of congruence you found out?
Wait, it was
Are you doing your
SAS.
Vidyut, I saw your homework. I was very happy looking at your homework.
Thank you.
What was the homework? Acha, what was the congruence?
SAS.
Good job. Very nice. Okay, now let me ask you one proof. How about this? I have this diagram. Okay. The others you have to continue, tell me the answer, and then move on to the next problems. Okay. AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD and BAC equal to DCA.
Auntie,
Yeah, ma?
some of your screen is like covered by like the white thing.
Now?
Yeah,
Like,
no. Mm-hmm.
oh, I see. It is covering by white thing. Is it? See, my chat window was on top. Only when you tell me, I understand.
Oh, okay.
Prove AD is parallel to BC. Let me mark the diagram. A, B, C, D. Proof literally, Vidyut, if you can write it here, I would be happy. Statement, reasoning. I know you are wanting to do competitive geometry, which is great. At the same time, for your
Wait,
school, you need to write the proof.
and there's also like something covering that, like the reasoning column, like the white thing. Oh yeah.
They're okay?
Mm-hmm, yeah.
Okay. How about Swarit? Where are we? Swarit, you have some answers. Why do you think VZ is 8, Vidyut? No, no, no,
VZ is
Vidyut, sorry. No, no, no.
three.
Yeah, I know.
That's
You
right.
go ahead with problem number 3. I shouted out the wrong name. Swarit, how do
Yeah.
you think VZ is 8?
Uh,
Explain Vidyut. Swarit.
um, X
Anish, next you need to
XZ
explain to me. What is that?
XZ and VZ are
XZ,
congruent.
XZ and VZ.
VZ
XZ and what is
XZ
congruent?
VZ,
BZ?
I think.
How do you know that they are congruent? Who can say?
Oh yeah.
How will you say that XC and VZ are congruent? Clearly, this angle is congruent to this angle. That's the only thing I know. What
Oh,
else
okay.
I know?
Um, is,
Tell me.
is WY 8?
W,
Y
WY,
is is that 8 or is that 5?
WY is 8.
Okay.
Yeah, that's here, right?
WY is 8.
Yeah.
And XY is 3, then XZ is 8.
Correct. So
Hmm.
what is congruent to what?
WY or WY and XZ.
WY is
And
congruent to
XZ.
XZ. Good job. WY is congruent to XZ. Then what?
Hmm.
You
So
see
then
XW is congruent to
VX or
XV.
XV.
What is the angle? Anish, are you following?
Yeah.
The angle W is congruent to angle
Angle X.
X. So which triangle is congruent to what?
Which triangle is congruent to what?
Go with the violet first, purple. V, X. V, X for this triangle. For this triangle, let me
XW.
go with the purple and the red, okay? V, X,
X.
Z, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, purple and the red, small triangle. W,
W
X,
WX Y
W,
X
X,
Y.
Z.
Oh, WXZ. Okay.
Yeah. Do you see that they are congruent? By what? What is the congruence through which you can prove that these two triangles are congruent? From these three, you can
Oh,
prove
um,
triangle VXZ is congruent to WXZ. How?
because 7A and 7A
What is the congruence?
side
Anish, do you want to answer?
by
Try. What congruence?
Side
side
angle
by.
side.
SAS congruence. Good job.
So the answer is 3.
Answer is since, yeah.
Oh,
Now, yeah, now we know that in the small triangle, this is 3. So in the big triangle, this should be
yeah,
3.
it's
Make
3.
sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now go ahead. Have you worked the proof with you? Have you worked out the proof? Are we ready with the proof?
I couldn't get the proof. Wait, what is it asking? Like,
Okay, what is the statement given? AB is equal to CD.
mhm.
AB is equal to CD. And then they've also given C, one angle they have drawn. That means they both are equal. BAC is congruent to ACD. Given. I am a layman. I don't know anything. I'm a kindergartner. So from here
Wait,
and here, I need to prove.
wait, Priyanti, it's covered again. Like the reasoning stuff.
Interesting. Is it gone now?
It's still a little bit there. I can't see a little bit of it.
Now?
Yeah, now it's gone.
Okay, go ahead. I don't know what was covering. Nothing was covering the. Okay, anyway, go ahead. So now, how do we prove that AD is parallel to BC?
Corresponding parts of a congruent triangle, like CPCTC.
Okay. By CPCTC, what?
Because there are parts of the triangle which are corresponding, like which are equivalent to each other.
What is the next step in the proof? I see where you're going, but that does not come so quickly, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So what do you do? But your intuition is very good, Anish. You're thinking about it correctly, but we are missing the in between parts, right?
Yeah, like the SAS stuff.
Correct. So where is the essay stuff coming?
So there's
Mm.
side, angle, side. Like meaning that there are the AB and then there's an angle and then there's DC.
Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. What is the next step I need to write down here?
Mm.
Go ahead.
So AB and DC is parallel.
AB.
And DC and CD is parallel. Because that we have to prove that they're both. So we have to prove that the angles are same, I think.
We've been given AB equal to CD. Okay, that I have drawn. And the angle, this angle is equal to this angle. What next? You want to prove AB is parallel to CD?
What about
Why would you want to prove AB is parallel to CD? There's no need. We want to prove
like
only AD is parallel to BC.
Would it be triangle BAC is
Yeah.
congruent to
Triangle
ACE?
PAC is congruent to triangle
DCA?
That's nice. The order is nice. Yes. Why?
Because
But you
C.
missed a step here.
Oh yeah.
That's okay. That's
CP.
okay. What congruence it is? First tell me.
Side angle side.
Side angle side. SAS congruence. But what is that you missed? You talked about AB equal to CD. You talked about one S. We talked about one A. What is that's missing?
Oh, the side.
ACB is ACB angles equal to
That's not missing. To prove
Um,
SAS congruence, what is missing? You have to
the
prove
the last side.
side is missing. Which side is that?
BC and D.
No.
I mean, like
You have to prove
D.
SAS congruence.
Is it EC and BA?
EC, yeah.
No,
where?
DC and BA.
DC and BA is equal to equal. That we already
Oh
said.
yeah.
That's the side. And then one angle was given. What was the angle missing to prove SAS congruence?
AD and BC.
No.
No.
No. Who said AC is equal to BC? We cannot prove that at all.
No, I'm saying no. Okay. I
Vidyut,
said
your thought?
AD. I said AD and BC.
AD and BC we cannot, right? How do you prove that they're equal? What tells that they're equal?
Mm.
We need to prove SAS congruence. You have one S, you have one A. What is the side that's missing to prove SAS congruence?
The diagonal.
Diagonal. Why? AC is congruent to CA. What property is that?
Reflexive.
Reflexive property of equality. Good. Property of equality. Now you have another side. See, this side is common to both the triangles. So that is congruent. As a result, SAS congruence, these two triangles are congruent. Now, how do you prove this is parallel to this? For you to prove parallel, what do you do? For you to prove AD is parallel to BC, what should you do?
CPCTC.
Correct, CPCTC. Useful. Yeah, I understand that CPCTC, very nice. Okay, what he says is,
It's not it. Right?
yeah, CPCTC will prove that AD is congruent to BC, but it does not. CPCTC comes into picture, guys, but where does it come into picture? You're right, CPTC, that's right, but because of CPTC, what? You have to prove that these two lines are parallel. For you to prove those two lines are parallel, what should be equal?
the triangles.
When two lines are parallel, how will you prove that those two lines are equal? Those two lines are parallel.
Mm.
You
That they,
Angles?
that
What
they
angles?
Like
they're the same angle.
Yeah.
What are the same angles?
The two parallel lines.
The two parallel lines are there. There is a transversal. What if you prove? Then you can prove that the angles are that the lines are parallel.
Alternate interior.
You can prove alternate interior. Okay. What else you can prove?
Exterior.
Exterior.
Exterior and all I don't have. Okay, I only have these two lines and there is a transversal. What can I prove?
Because it's
Alternate. You said alternate interior, correct?
yeah.
It's okay, great. Okay. So what do I do? Which are alternate interior here?
A,
A
C,
A C D
A, C, B
A C B.
C, A, D, or
A, C, B
A,
is
C, B.
congruent to DAC, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what? Why are they equal? Why are they equal?
Alternate interior.
Interior angles.
No.
Uh,
They are
Oh.
only the,
CPCTC.
CPCTC. You get it, huh? From SI's congruence, you can only prove CPCTC. Just because they are equal, they coincidentally form the alternate interior angles for this one. As a result, you can say AD is parallel to BC because alternate interior angles are equal. You got it?
Yeah.
Do you guys get it?
Yes.
See, proof comes from the previous step. Guys, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me go over. See, okay, at least in this class, I want to go over the other two congruences and then. So, okay, let's see this one. How about this? Let's try this one now. How about this one? Okay, how about this one? Okay, let me draw this figure. You're going to prove, okay? As I said, right? What are the congruences we have? SSS we did, SAS we did. And we are going to work on AAS and ASA. Always remember, this is the included side, this is the included angle. Here, this is not the included side. You got it? Here, that's not the included side. Can I move on? Now, we are going to prove one more, okay? See, the more proofs we write, the better you would be in understanding as well, okay? Now, let's see this one. N, X, Y, R, P, Q. Okay, in the figure, PQ equal to PR. Angle PQY equal to PRX. Okay, prove that QY equal to RX. Can you prove? We are going to write, okay, statement and reasoning. Statement, reasoning. Sham, we are still working on congruences, Sham. We are working on proof. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. Proof. PQ, let me draw. PQ is equal to PR. PQY is equal to PRX. Prove that QY equal to RX. We need to prove that. Okay. Okay, I don't know how to prove that though. Let's see. I don't have idea as well. We are all going to work together. Let's see. I know. I know. Think about two triangles. Which two triangles you're going to consider? This.
PQY
Uh-huh.
and PRX.
That's right.
Yeah.
PQY and PRX. How can we prove what they have given and what is that we can use to prove?
They given us PR
Yeah.
and R and
P
Q are equal to each other.
equal to PR they have given.
and then
Correct.
angle R is equal to angle Q.
From there, I can say PQ is congruent to PR. That
Yeah,
means definition of congruence.
it's half like erased, kind of.
Hmm?
Like it's like I'm like not able to see like the reasoning side of the board.
All of you are not able to see?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's like some of it I can see, and then the other half I can't.
Oh,
I cannot see half.
no problem.
Yeah, there we go.
I'll help you. I'll help you. Wait. Oh, you're able to see now?
Yeah, now it works.
Oh,
It was
what?
the same thing that Vidyut was saying.
Yeah, like it's something blocking it, kind
Is
of.
it blocking
Yeah.
now still?
No, not
No.
anymore.
Okay, ma. Let's go ahead. Go ahead, Swarit. I'm glad you told me. How
Uh,
to do now?
angle PQR, or
Uh,
no, angle, yeah,
PQY.
PQY, yeah.
PQY equal to
Angle,
PRX given. Correct.
yeah,
Okay, then I can prove the congruence as well. PQY is congruent to PRX. Definition of congruent triangles. Uh-huh.
um,
Since they are equal, they are congruent, I can prove. Right?
yeah.
After that,
Mhm.
what? Okay, let me please write down. Okay, for you to be very clear, right? I want to write down. This is one side is given, one angle
And
is
then
given.
angle.
What
So
else I can prove?
the
I need to
last,
think about
the
that.
last side. So,
It need not always be the last side. It can be anything. There are multiple ways of proving congruence. That's why I keep
mm,
on saying SSS, SAS, ASA, AS. You have been given S and a A. So it's definitely not this. Go ahead.
this has nothing to do with it, but N is like an intersection point of QY and XRX.
True, but we don't know anything about it. See, okay, Swarit, when you think about something related to a proof, right? Think about from here to here you're coming from.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah,
sequential information.
yeah.
But from the figure, there is something you can decipher, which you're not deciphering. Which two triangles? What is common to them? Think about all that. I'm talking about this triangle, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
PX. Uh, is it PX and PY are equal?
We can't say all that. You cannot assume.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, guys. What is common?
Wait, angle P?
That's better. Angle P, it takes time. Geometry takes time. But then it'll come slowly. Angle P is common to both. So why am I so particular about that angle P is common? Why should I be worried about angle P? What does it say? I have to prove congruence, okay? QPY is congruent to, what is that?
RPX.
Yeah, RPX, correct. Why am I so particular about that? Why am I so particular about the angle? Reflexive property, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So, I have a question.
Yeah,
Like, could I annotate?
yeah, please. Now, sorry, Vidyut and Sham, think about it. Why am I so particular about this angle? Then what I am trying to prove?
So you need, I'm sorry, you need this line in this line to create this angle, right?
Yeah.
And you also need this line,
Wait,
right?
ASA?
So then
ASA?
basically,
One
if
minute, Vidyut. You're
Mhm.
doing. Mm.
so basically if this intersects with this, right? These intersects with this,
Mhm.
and then same goes the opposite way, doesn't that already prove that they're both equal? Because that it has to be at the same angle as this, because you already said that this is equal to this. These two angles are equivalent, and P is same for both of them. So then if this goes like this, and this goes like this, and then it intersects at this, and then X and R intersects at this point, then it then and it goes the opposite way too. Doesn't that mean that we already proved that both of them are equal?
Which both are equal?
The question y q y and rx.
You know.
Yeah, because that if you see here, then this line, like this line has to intersect, and this line has, and then this line makes an angle. So so far we found xp is equivalent to py.
No, we
Right?
did not. We did not. We don't know that px equal to py. There is nothing that tells that px equal to py. We
Wait.
just know pq equal to pr.
Okay, so then first we figured out that PR equals to PQ. Okay. So then, and then now all we have, so now it has to go at some like type of thing is like what I'm thinking. I'm like, I don't know.
Yeah, but nobody said that px equal to py. So you cannot prove that here.
Okay. I
Make
was
sense?
asking. Yeah, I was just asking.
No, that's good to ask, Anish. But do you understand the problem there?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay. Meaning, see, as you say px equal to py, there's nothing that tells you that, and you can't prove that here. Make sense, ma? Anish, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Vidyut, go ahead now.
Um,
Please, no.
can we use ASA? Like,
That's better. You can use ASA. Is that right? ASA? Is that ASA? I don't know. I have to see.
like,
What about
we can use
angle?
triangles PRX and PRY
Yeah, it is
and
ASA.
PQY.
It is ASA. See, for this triangle, A, go in a clockwise direction. A, S, A. For the other triangle, let me go ahead and show you. For the other triangle, A, S, A. Make sense? Sorry, did it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I can say triangle PQY is congruent to triangle P
It's not showing.
It's not showing.
Yeah.
X. This is something seriously wrong, guys. Hold on.
No, it's
No,
showing.
not.
No.
And then after that, we use CTC.
Exactly. This is ASA congruence. And then
No.
you use CPCT and
Congruent.
prove what? Prove what?
That
QY
QY is equal to
congruent to
RX.
Is
RX.
equal to RX.
QY is congruent to RX. That is CPCTC. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Sham, are you following Sham?
Yeah.
Okay, can I move on?
Yeah.
That's nice. Nice to see. Now, SSA is not necessarily congruent. Why? I want to show you SSA is not necessarily congruent means, see, go ahead and draw a side, equal side. Okay, let's say 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. And again, draw one more, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Okay. And then draw an angle of, let's say some angle. Okay. 60 degree. Okay. If you draw an angle of 60 degree right here, you won't see that these two triangles are congruent. Okay. How do you prove that? Wait. I want you to be able to prove that as well. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, let's see. A, B. Let's try, guys. I really want you to understand why SSA is not valid, right? 0.8 B, C. Okay, let's do that. B, C, 1.5 C. One second.
Hello?
Yeah, Ma, I'm here. Tell me.
Okay. So I have a question.
Yeah.
In the diagram you showed us like before,
Hmm.
was the angle connecting like like 3 centimeters and 2 centimeters equivalent to the other diagram?
Hmm. Here. Yeah.
Was this like this equivalent to this?
No, I did not say that. That's the deal.
I was just asking.
Yeah, no, good question, right? That's the deal here. That is why SSA is not a valid congruence. You see, the thing is, when I draw that 3 centimeter, I did not tell you anything about the angle. I could have drawn like this. You see what I mean? I never said that these two angles are equal. That is why SSA is not a valid congruence. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I want you to realize by yourself. How to make you realize by yourself? Let's see. Mm, okay, let's try this one. 1 second, guys. Drawing. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that only when you plot, you'll know. வரேன் இப்ப ஒண்ணும் இல்ல.
Hello?
Yeah, let's try this one. Okay. Really, see, I want you to try a triangle AB with 1.8 centimeter, BC with 1.5 centimeter, angle BAC equal to 40 degree. Okay. Let's try to draw AB. I will draw, guys. You don't need to, but let's see here. 1.8 centimeter. Okay. And then BC is equal to 1.5 centimeter. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a circle. So this is basically, it's going to be like this. BC is going to be 1.5. It is going to make up a circle. It's going to make up a circle. So it's going to be like this. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
The locus of all points that are 1.5.
Exactly 1.5 centimeter from B. B is the center of the circle. Now see what happens here. A is here because it's 1.8 centimeter, correct? Right? Now
Mm-hmm.
BAC, we also know that BAC is going to make up an angle of,
You said BAC.
yeah, BAC is going to make an angle of,
Okay.
BAC is going to make an angle of 40 degrees. BAC is going to make an angle of 40 degrees. Let's see. Let me do this. I don't want to mark this as C. 1 second, guys. Let me show you. Okay. The circle has 1.5. Okay. 1.5 centimeter as the radius. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. Make sense? I'm going to draw a 40 degree angle from A. This is 40 degree. Does it sound good, guys?
Yeah.
Now, think about this. I'm going to mark this is 1.5. This is 1.5. You're all with me? Because it's the radius of the circle, correct, guys? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, I will mark this as C1 and C2. The 40 degree angle, right, from A, right, meets the circle at C1 and C2. Am I making sense?
Yes.
Do you think BAC1 and BAC2 are congruent? Do you
They're both 40.
think, okay, let me ask you this way. C1BA, C2BA, are they congruent? When you think about it, for C1, C2, C1,
No, they're not congruent. They're not
C1,
congruent.
No, they're
C1B and C2B are 1.5 centimeter. When you think about BA, it's 1.8 centimeter. And clearly angle AC1 and AC2 are 40 degrees.
They're not like congruent.
They are not congruent at all. But when you think about them, consider each angle separately. See, this is S, S, A. A is not the included angle. Similarly, S, S, A. Am I making sense, guys? When I think about SSA, right, when I make an SSA triangle, two SSA triangles, I cannot say this triangle is congruent to the bigger, triangle, this one. You got it? Does it make sense? Here, what did I do? I made C1B 1.5, C2B 1.5. Then I made BA 1.8, BA 1.8, SS, and AC2 angle I made it to be 40, AC1 angle I made it to be 40. Correct, guys? I tried to draw two triangles with SSA congruence. But unfortunately, when I did that, I am very clear that here AC1B and AC2B are not congruent triangles. Does it make sense? So SSA is not a valid congruence at all. Can I move on? Okay, now I'm going to get off the book, but I'm going to give you something else. Let me see. I have something on congruence. 1 second, I kept it ready. Where did I keep it? 1 second, guys. I really want to quiz you on that. See, we discussed all of the congruence and bad congruence as well we discussed. So let's see. CPCTC. I have it here. Okay, now let's see this one quickly. Okay. How about this? Are these two congruent? You're going to tell me, guys. No. I'll give you the pictures. You can tell me if they're congruent or not. I'm going to erase off everything, guys. This is just a quiz and then we'll go ahead. Disperse, but then I want you to be thorough. Are these two triangles congruent? If so, by what congruence?
A.
Is there any congruence?
Mm.
You have to be careful.
Actually, no. They're similar.
If it is AAA, they become similar. There is nothing like AAA congruence. Why? Three angles can be made equal to another three angles of another triangle. See, guys, that's the best part about congruence and similarity. Here, yeah, clearly the angles are equal. Okay, my writing pad lost battery. See, this triangle and this triangle, when you think about it, right, I can make this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, sorry, meaning my writing pad lost battery, so I'm writing it with the mouse. Here, do you see here? I can make these angles exactly equal. Even when I make my angles equal, there is no need for the sides to be congruent. The sides will be proportional. You got it? Will be by a scale factor, they will be different. Meaning, if you make the angles equal, there will always be a scale factor. You see, if this is 3, then this has to be 9. You got it? So there's always a proportionality between the sides of the triangle. Then it is not of the same, it is of the same shape, but size is different. So they become similar instead of congruent. You got it? So there is no AAA congruence. Okay, there is only AA similarity. Okay, now here, see, only the angles have been considered. AA. So it is only similar. They are not congruent. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, now there are more questions like this coming your way. Hold on. How about this? Quickly, you're going to tell me, okay? What congruence? Okay, there's a lot of questions. So, how about this? Please, one by one, take turns.
Wait, I can't see it.
You can see it.
Oh, what, like half of it. Yeah, now I can see it.
It's ASA.
ASA, yeah. And no, SAS.
SAS. Good job. Second one. Why SAS?
It's also
Side angle side.
wait, the second one's also kind of covered.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm doing it again. Hold on. I don't know what is going on. Let me see. I'm not in a hurry, guys. Wait. Are you able to see?
yeah.
Hmm. What congruence?
SAS.
SAS. Now I'm going to pick out people. Sham, you want to say this one?
Yeah.
If you think they are congruent, you have to tell me what. If you don't think they are congruent, you can say no.
I think they are congruent. I think it's SSA. It's ASS.
Huh?
And I think it's SSA congruence.
Is SSA congruence?
No. They're actually not congruent.
They're not congruent. Why they're not congruent?
It's because
It is SSA.
Yeah, SSA, yeah.
SSA, there is no SSA congruence. Okay. You got it? Now,
Yeah.
Anish, do you want to try this one, Anish?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, guys.
This is congruent.
Uh-huh.
Because that if all the sides are equal, so SSS.
Oh, good. SSS. What is the last side?
Huh?
What is the third side?
KM, which they both
Good
share.
job. Reflexive property, because it's the same. Swarit, the last one. Are they congruent? If congruent, what is a congruence?
Is it angle side?
Good job. What is that? AAS congruence, correct?
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay. I did not discuss one congruence, which is HL. See, that's what is discussed in 6.4. If it is, I will just make a note of it here. If it is a right angle triangle, right? If it is a right angle triangle, okay, it is enough if two sides are congruent. If two sides, meaning if the hypotenuse is congruent to the hypotenuse and any one of the sides is congruent, even if it is SSA here. It is like an SSA, right? But this is called HL congruence.
Because it's a right triangle.
The right triangle. In a right triangle alone, there is an exception where if if the hypotenuse and one of the legs are congruent, you can call it HL congruence, meaning this is one classic example of HL congruence. Do you see it? Do you see it, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Which one?
The 1 with 2 right triangles.
Yeah, but how do you say? Why do you say first of all, it's a right triangle. Okay, I can always check for HL congruence. I know that angles are equal. But is this HL congruence? I don't think it is HL congruence. What congruence is that? What
Angle.
congruence is that? I don't think it's HL congruence. What congruence is that?
Is it AAS?
Good job. What is it?
Angle side.
Are there two angles? Angle side.
wait,
Oh, yeah. It is AAS. It is perfectly AAS. How about this? If it's a right triangle, the first thing I'll check is only
HL.
this is HL congruence. You got it? Because the hypotenuse and the leg is congruent to the hypotenuse and leg of the other right triangle. Sham, are you following?
Yeah.
Okay, we are all clear, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, to an extent, I think. Okay, the last two guys, I won't disturb you more than this. Please give turns and then say. The left one, is there congruence? What congruence? Right one, is there congruence? What congruence? Did you guys get it?
Is the first one AAS?
First one is AAS. S is the common side.
Mm-hmm.
Anish, are you with me?
Yes.
Sham, are you with me?
Yeah.
Second one?
I
Mm,
think
The second ones are not congruent.
Good job. Second one is not congruent.
Yeah.
You all got it?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, second one is not congruent. They are simply deceiving us. So I'll do one thing. I'm not going to follow the book, okay? I'm really going to go ahead and give you something else as homework. But please make sure you finish that congruency set. Make sense?
Okay.
Entire thing, the entire part, meaning there are 5 parts, I think. All the 5 parts, please complete before you come to the next class. Any questions to me? This is
No.
not a
No.
it is very useful for your school level geometry. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. And it provides you with insight for competitive geometry as well. Make sense? Okay. So, any questions for me?
No.
No.
Okay. So now this is exercise 3.3 and 3.4 of the book, but I'm not going to give that, but only congruence. We are completing congruences with this. Okay.
Okay.
I have not done proof. I know that, but proof will be done separately. Okay, more proofs you need. Okay. Any questions for me?
No.
Sham, sorry, Sham. My message reached you late.
I'm
Or you
not sure. I
Huh?
woke up late.
Okay, if you woke up late, that's okay. Then I am happy. Doesn't matter, but just watch the recording. You didn't miss much though.
Okay.
Okay, any other questions?
No.
Okay, I'll stop here.
Okay. Bye, Priyanti.
Next
Bye.
Bye,
is your
Auntie.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.